Welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 25th of August with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Ansett Markets. Let's look at this Eurodollar chart, and what a move that we saw yesterday. Let's zoom in quite quickly so that we see the extent of this rally that we've had for 4 days now. Basically back from 110 figure, it added almost 700 pips. That's an incredible move in 4 days. That is pretty much 700 pips in 4 days. What a move. And yesterday, obviously, we had, I think, it is actually a bit of a culmination, I think, of the buying pressure. It had a bit of an air of an exhaustive move. And I think what we're seeing today is just an unwinding of that move. Because we've seen, just technically speaking, just momentum indicators, strong RSI, but now turned back lower. And if that RSI now closes below 70, that's a bit of a corrective signal. Although the MACD and the stochastic still pretty positive, just generally speaking, I think it just had a bit of an air of an exhaustive move yesterday afternoon as the US came into trade. And then since then, we've sort of been consolidating and just drifting lower highs, coming in at 16.23 and subsequently what seems to be maybe at 15.78. Seems to now be putting pressure on that initial support from that reaction low around 15.20. We've had 15.10 today already, 15.11 if you get exactly the bit. But look at these momentum indicators on the hourly, just rolling over now. RSI falling away, MACD line certainly falling away, corrective. Stochastics again certainly corrective near term. So I think we could see you got here sort of around 15 figure as an initial resistance yesterday before the big breakout. I think that initial resistance becomes support now. So below 15 figure, I'm saying that would sort of open up a correction. And what we do have on this chart is this big old support around 1465. So you would argue sort of 1465 back towards sort of 1435. So 30 pretty strong support. And now I think is your first port of call. I think for this Euro correction, I think that would be a pretty decent level of support, and it'll be interesting to gauge how the market reacts at those levels. Because if the market comes back and uses support at that level and starts to form support and then just starts to go higher again, that would be a very, very interesting and important move. I think that would suggest that the bulls or the Euro bulls or dollar corrective move is actually being validated. Not saying it hasn't been validated anyway. Obviously 700 ticks in 4 days is a massive move and sort of changes the outlook considerably and suggests a change of outlook in terms of Fed tightening, in my view. I've been talking about that for a few days now, but I think that is sort of basically a nail in the coffin of September, although obviously you're not going to get the confirmation of that for a few weeks, but still I think that we have had a change of outlook. I think the Euro is going to be very choppy now, but first line of support 14.65 to 14.35, those two highs back from May, June, very interesting level of support there. As I said, near term, I wouldn't rule out a near term